waste your time and money at the chain store. Suspension parts and dealer parts too. The website's so easy to use. The lowest prices and fast delivery.
Mas não vejo, não sei se é boa ou se é.
Welcome to a house with a rich history. Meet Austin the butler and his